In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can join two words into one word. So we have a data set here which has the name of the employee and their corresponding departments. So I want to join the name to the department, and there are three methods that I'm going to use. Method one is the TextJoin method, then the Concat method, and the %. So let's get started with the TextJoin method. TextJoin. Delimiter is what I want to use to separate the two words. In other words, this is my separator. In my case, I'm using the dash, then ignore. If there's space, I'm telling Excel to ignore. Then the words I'm going to join, like so, copy down, and we are done. So this is the TextJoin method. Next is the Concat method. I say Concat. I want to join the name. What is my separator? Dash. The next is the department. Close brackets, enter. Copy down, and I'm done. The final method is the %, or the and. What do I want to join? The name. Pick the name. Use and. Insert the separator, which is a dash. Then and. Join to the department. Hit enter, and you are done. Copy down, and we are done. So these are the three methods we can use to join two words. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification button if you want to see more videos like this.